You know what we got to do is turn the key. No dice on third. Beauty is only skin deep. Ugly goes to the bone. Good morning. You know what this is? It's a truck. It's not just a truck. It's a work truck. Now, somebody like me, who would have had a work truck for building fences and stuff, I don't replace it. I drive it till it can't be driven anymore. Well, this truck used to be a fence builder, rancher's truck. You could tell. I traded the blue Dodge from a few episodes ago for this truck to a buddy. Don't ask me why.
Because it's green.
Because it's green. It matches Zane's truck.
It's the mini green.
But my truck I drove onto his trailer. This one we pushed off. So that's a start. Welcome to TC5. So it's a GMC. We got the air horns. This is worth $1,000.
A fresh booster at some point. Still has the tag.
Oh, that still have the tag. It's a Vortec, so that's a step in the right direction.
Sometimes.
It's got valve cover leaks.
It leaves the factory that way.
Oh, that's good.
It's just a Chevrolet thing.
Oh, this is a GMC, sir. It's
the same thing.
Oh, you want to check the Earl for me?
That's no good, way.
Oh.
Oh, he says.
Perhaps we should have checked the oil before I bought the truck or traded the truck, huh?
That is rather thick.
Mm.
Oh dear.
Mm.
Oh dear.
Mm. It looks like that. It's when you retire the truck. Like this one.
Huh.
Don't ask. Oh, that's solid. How's the trans oil look?
You probably don't want to look at that either.
Well, I'll smell it then. I won't look at it.
Oh, I think that's where the motor oil went.
Oh, jeez.
No, it smells like trans fluid.
Yeah, it doesn't actually have that much of a burned smell.
No.
It just smells old.
It's just dark.
Dark, yeah, that looks like Earl. Okay. Is this actually? That's rusty. Okay. We're getting there. The grill is in surprisingly shape. It is in good shape. These fender flares do that. I do not know why. They turn yellow on you. They do the same thing on Dodges. Missing the mirror. Don't worry. That's replaceable. A tire's gone flat since it sat here. That's no biggie. We have a compressor for that. Oh, well, look, she's been patched before. That's all fine and dandy. Came with a come along and a grade stake and miscellaneous things. The back window, on the other hand, but it has the almost limo tint. You can still see a little bit through it. She's seen mud. Came with a trailer hitch. That's a plus. She's got the dual pipes to be loud and proud. Got a dent here. That tire's holding air. I think we got slime in this tire probably. Oh yeah, we do. Things look good over here, right?
Yeah.
That's fair. Let's see the, oh, okay. 2012, so 11 years off the road. Interior. to be expected. Church pew 1000 seats. It's missing that headrest. Partial roll of duct tape. Oh, we got some hieroglyphics. All right. Okay. Oh, Lord. The shifter's broken, Zane. The shifter's broken.
I thought you knew that.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, that's the shifter hook.
The shifter hook.
Yeah, you kind of weasel it in there. And...
Or is this a no steal option? This is not, it's not broken.
It's theft deterrent.
It's theft deterrent. Has a radio.
I can't remember if you push it to go down or to pull it. But it's very hard.
Got a hat. Oh, what do we got here?
Oh,
Lord. Oh, my God. That's...
a Smeagol from the Lord of the Rings.
That is worse than Schmiegel. That's just demonic. Is it a switchblade? What's it?
No.
No, it's just... Oh, it's hot. Been baking there all day. Dang. You know, whoever had this had to be hardcore. Look at that crap. Okay. Well...
You would have figured your buddy would have checked the oil, seeing as he traded this for payment of a fence job.
Right. But he's like me. Maybe. Oh, it's got Pro Comp. That's for... What is Pro Comp? I don't remember. Cam or something. Lift. Oh, a lift. Oh, we got a welding hood. Some scissors. Belt. That doesn't tell us anything, does it? Nope. Okay, the RTV. That's good. We're probably gonna need it. Okay. Solid start. Solid start. Oh, what do we got up there? Oh, recipes. Lots of recipes. Okay. Guess we gotta throw a battery in it. What's that?
The pinched off heater core hose.
Oh.
Heater core hose.
That was pinched off?
Yeah, it's tied with fencing wire down yonder.
Oh, then that's perfect.
But you can see how it's been spraying.
Poquito, so it may have been getting hot? Perhaps. Perhaps. It's actually strapped down because you gotta go through all the ruts. It's not this size, but it is this size.
I have a socket set.
Sockets.
Well,
We don't need no stinking
I guess
sockets.
technically you're holding the socket set.
Yep. I'm holding the Mexican socket set. We are gaining clearance by unbolting our lead down yonder. And perhaps is my new word I use.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Came to me 2 days ago. But if you get your marine one, you got these little turd middles here. And those little turd middles, you could just slap right there on the deal for the heel. And boom, there you have it. So you don't got to buy the expensive side post battery. Get the $102 marine battery. You're in good shape.
Golden.
Golden. Well, do you want to do the hunters and see if it cranks?
Oh dear.
All right. Do we have power or something? Oh, we have lights. I heard fuel pumps. Oh, that light's out though. Are you sure we could start it?
Probably not.
Oh, well, we could try. Go ahead.
Have nothing to the starter.
Perfect. Maybe it's that button on the left below. There's a button. Ooh. It's a Dixie horn. Ooh. This ain't no General Lee though. I'll wiggle wires.
It might not be in park.
Oh.
The indicator's showing reverse.
Oh, maybe we are in reverse. Okay. Now the real moment of truth.
Okay, it's in neutral.
Neutral's fair.
Okay, so pull him towards you.
Mm-hmm.
Drops it down, pushing away, puts it back up into park.
Interesting.
Okay, it might do something now. You ready?
Yep. Oh! Like a finger in George. And you know how George likes his fingers. Sounds pretty good for having a blown head gasket or whatever. Huh. Oh yeah. The dual pipe ladders is good. Oh, she's ready to go to work. Es listo por trabajo.
It actually sounds pretty decent.
It does.
We're having chocolate milk in it.
Mm-hmm. Well, I guess we ought to air up that old tar back here.
I didn't bring nothing.
I did. And we'll see if it runs down the road. Will she air? Survey says. Absolutely she will. Might have some slime in her too. A little bit of mud and blood and spitter. Come here, boy. Oh yeah, she's coming. She'll get there. I see hidden treasure right here. Looky there. That makes it worth it right there. An equalizer. You could tell he was a fence builder because this is for a compressor to drill your T-post. This is from building a gate. This is from something. These are for cutting, wire ties. Yeah, I know about all this here. We're finally there. Finally, almost. All right, cowboy, is it ride or die?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Will it move? You do the honor.
It's your truck.
You got the hat. I'm not privileged to have a hat such as that. There's a thing people haven't really heard of, but it's known as big head disorder. I'm over a size 8. I don't wear hats. Oh, that pump is good. Oh yeah. You look at home.
Zipper is in the worst spot for your kneecap.
Oh good. Does the air conditioner work? But it's blowing? Oh, we gotta top her off. Oh, I heard things.
Shut up.
Oh, we don't wanna go that way. Oh, there we go. E-brake work? Dang. Guess they probably left it in neutral more times than not. She's got a body lift in case y'all haven't noticed. She's solid. Oh yeah. Look, it looks at home. Notice that front tire, it's like that. It's fine though, it's a GMC. It's meant to handle this on the ranch. Doing the old ranch things. Yeah, look at that camber. Y'all see that camber? Look at that. That is what's known as torsion bars crank too much and just general trash. Well, let's go down the road. She is nice in here. It has that good old Worn in Chevrolet feeling. You know it's bad when the passenger seat looks like the driver's seat. At least they've been drinking their water, their Walmart water. What is this? What is that? Oh, I thought that was...
Did you show them the cave paintings?
I did. There's an arrow here to show that we're supposed to go forward.
Where are we going?
Let's go visit David. I wonder if he's out in the field. Oh, it sounds good. Ship's good.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna try the head gasket in a can on this one.
Actually doesn't feel as worn out as I expected it to feel.
Yeah. The steering is...
Steering.
Oh.
Well, it's because it's so...
Cambered.
towed.
Yeah. He may be in the field. Do you see him? Hmm.
How much water was in the radiator?
Nope.
Oh.
We ought to put some water in it.
Yeah, 'cause
We're climbing?
well, no, we're almost operating temp.
Oh, well then, yeah, maybe we ought to pull in somewhere and get some waters. We got a little warm. Just a little.
Yeah.
I was trying to get out, but it's broke. Gotta do it the old school way.
Watch your face.
Oh, there's no water to have no pressure. Because it's all in the engine. That's fine. Oh, I hear him down there. One day. Are we leaking water out?
Oh, Lord.
Oh. Where's all that?
That coolant hose. Oh, are we missing a freeze plug?
We might be missing a freeze plug, Buster.
That's cool. Lay under there and look.
Yeah. Oh.
Things are flowing.
Yeah. I can't tell.
Coming from up high?
Higher.
I bet they left had just one.
We are leaking from in between the engine and the transmission. Which, whoever thought it was a good idea to put a freeze plug between the engine and the trans.
I'm pretty sure there's one down there lower on the block. But it's been a while since I've looked at one of these.
Well, then that's what's going on. Oh, good. Just till I'll go bye-bye.
Yeah.
He'll get it back down the road.
It's getting the flush.
Yeah.
It's like a boat motor right now. You're just running cold water through the block.
Yeah. Yeah. Hunter? Yeah. Yeah. We all know who got the better deal here. Not me. Huh?
She said I figured it was y'all too.
Oh, good. Let's floor it. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah.
The brakes are... Oh, that felt weird. Yeah, the gauge, I think, just quit working. Golly. These drum brakes now. Well. Back at the old ranch here. I think I know what's gonna have to happen here. We're gonna park her here and take some pictures. Okay, Zane. Is it worth saving? Do we put a freeze plug in it, put head gaskets in it, put a front end under it, put a window in it, put door handles in it, put a mirror on it, put tires on it, put oil in it, put transmission fluid in it, put coolant in it?
If it was a 5-speed, maybe.
Perhaps.
But not a 4L Slippy.
So,
I mean, it's the better 4L Slippy, but it's still a 4L Slippy.
not the 4L Slippy. Ranch truck, sure, throw a freeze plug in it and drive it till it rots or blows or whatever. Would you fix it? I'm not gonna fix it.
Nope.
You aren't gonna fix it.
Nope.
Nobody's gonna fix it. So it's going on the market space for, what should I ask?
I don't know. What were you asking for the other truck?
The Ford?
No, the one you traded it for.
$1,500.
Yeah, that's probably too steep.
Yeah. $1,000, come get it.
You might do that.
Yeah. So if y'all want it, you can get a limited edition TC Fines 3/4 ton Chevrolet. No, GMC. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Buy a cowboy hat if you don't have the same disease as me, and just live that life.
Just live that life.
Thanks for watching.